What's goody, Gym Squad? How y'all doing? So today is day 21. So for day 20, y'all, I gained weight. I'm not even gonna lie, I gained weight. I did get my gym membership back, y'all, so I'm ready to be back in business. Things that's been going on, y'all, is that So this video, disclaimer, this video might not even have an intro. But you know what? I should just let it have an intro. Run the intro.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Anywho's, like I was telling you guys before, so what's going on is my heat is broke in my house, so we're trying to get that fixed before I get home tonight. I have to go to Amazon Flex tonight. And I'm currently working. So I wanted to come and tell you guys how I felt about my weight gain. So how I feel about my weight gain is that I'm bummed, I'm disappointed that I let myself gain weight this week. After all this work. So I'm going to get my mind back together. And y'all, let me tell y'all, my weight has been like the most trigger of my life. Like and I only got a few more minutes till break. So I'm just trying to make this video quick. So my weight loss has been the most struggle that I have had to battle with my whole entire life. With PCOS, living with PCOS, it's hard to lose weight. And now I'm currently off birth control. So now everything is haywire. While I was on birth control, I was losing weight slowly. And then I started being stagnant. Once I got off birth control, this has been the easiest time to lose weight. I've been losing 3 to 2 pounds a week. So the weight was coming off. And I just have to keep my head in the game. So I made this video just to say, if you guys are dealing with PCOS, if you guys are dealing with weight gain, if you guys are trying to lose weight, don't give up, because it's going to be a fight. I'm just trying to tell you. It's really going to be a fight. But if you keep trying and get back on it, you should be great. So I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to get back on it. I'm going to stop beating myself up for these 3 pounds that I've gained back out of the 5 that I've lost. And I'm just going to keep working hard, get in the gym, at least do the gym twice a week and run my stairs. That's all that I'm going to be doing. I did get my gym membership back, so I'll be going back to the gym on Wednesday. So I'm truly, truly excited to get back in the game. And it's probably some more changes coming that I will be able to motivate you guys, full time. So I'm going to try hard, try to balance everything. Things should start get hectic for me. And I feel like what is getting hectic for me is having a job. So hopefully things work out in my favor with some things that I got coming up. And I can't tell you guys right now, but I will tell you guys when the time has come. And I think that it's going to work out in my favor, so that I won't be stressed trying to juggle full-time job, mommy duties, wife duties, part-time job, and YouTube. So I love creating content for you guys. I hope that this opens the insight of why I've been missing, why everything's been late. And this situation right here is also, it's taking a toll on my weight loss journey. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. This is really taking a toll on my weight loss journey. But this is a little short snippet for Vlogmas Day 21. And we have 4 more days until Christmas. I know you guys, I missed from day 14 to 18. I'm sorry, but I tried to stay focused for the whole 25 days of Christmas. And it did not happen. But I'll be back tomorrow with day 22. I'll talk to you guys later. And tomorrow it's going to probably be another story time. And I'll probably make the story time on my lunch break, because I work tomorrow too. So I will see you guys on day 22. Bye, y'all.